The following demonstration will illustrate the torque produced by the OEM fan clutch and the GoldTop fan clutch. What we have here is the current OEM design. It's engaged with all of its spring pressure and all of the holding power of its friction material. What we'll do is simulate the fan blade at high RPM and force the fan clutch to slip, and this meter will read out, in inch-pounds, how much torque the fan clutch produced. As you can see, the OEM clutch produced just over 2,400 inch-pounds of torque. When you install the GoldTop rebuild kit, here's what happens. £5,258. When you install the GoldTop rebuild kit, you upgrade from 2,400 inch-pounds of torque to over 5,000 inch-pounds of torque. Now, even when you apply the effective fan thrust, you have a fan clutch that is more than capable of handling any fan blade that exists in our industry.